We're on.
I'm finna give instructions on putting together a hoop house. I'm gonna start at the beginning, inventory the parts, and go one step at a time. I have chosen this particular hoop house is put out by Tom Landry of Malvern, Arkansas. And I'm gonna use his, and Miss Lavinia Bell of WSBZ Farms is the sponsor of this. So let's get started. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce you to the parts. When you need a part, you need to know what you're looking for before you go looking for it. So follow me and I'm going to show you a part. These are the hoops themselves that you fit together to make it work from the beginning. You got your hoops. These here are the end posts for the end walls that hold the end plastic. This is the door framing for the doors that we will install on tracks. These are the tracks, and this is called a wiggle wire channel. These are the wiggle wires that go in the channel. This is what I use to make the trussels with. This house is going to have a set of 9 trussels on it. It's a specialty house that needs these trussels for support. And as we go through, if we home in on this, can you see this? This is the high boards. This is the low boards for the side support that go between each one. This house is built with 4-foot centers, and you have to count your poles. You need a pole every 4 foot on both sides to be able to support the hoops itself. And as we go along, here are the rest of the parts. Every house is somewhat different because of the manufacturer or wherever you get it from. There's a slight difference, even in the names of the parts. Even the sizes of the pipes are different. So it's sort of hard to interchange them, but this kit works together real good, and the way Tom fabricated them, they fit together well. And looking over here, we got the rest of the parts I need to show you. That is a door track. It goes in the door on the tracks on the doors for the doors to open and close. This is the door bracket that will hold the door on the framing. And this is the roll for the side curtains. We got two types of curtains over here. We got side curtains and what I call a wind curtain. And plastic for them. You got the top plastic and your end plastic in rolls. Those are your side curtains, the ones that go all the way down the side from one end to the other. As I start around here, these are 2x2 steel posts for the end walls. These poles here are 20-foot poles for the trussels. Looking close at these parts here. These are brackets for the trussels. These are brackets for the purlins. These are the curtain brackets. And I call these horseshoe brackets. This is what holds the purlins on the big poles. And then we got the ropes for the curtains. And these are the middle part for, these are the metal parts to build the trusses. Okay.
Alrighty.